welcome to another set routine. As you guys can see, I have a few things to do: clean my bathroom, reset, fold my laundry, grocery shopping, skincare, and relax. So let's go. So I'm cleaning my bathroom, and if you don't know, I got a small bathroom, so you guys can get all the hangings because I'm not trying to throw my camera in the toilet or have it accidentally crack. But I can show you guys the products I use. I'm pretty simple: Clorox scrubbing bubbles, and what's the other thing I use? I'm show you guys the toilet bowl cleaner from, I think, also Clorox. That's it. Keep it simple. I have another video showing all the angles, but today I was like, yeah, I'm a little tired to be setting up tripods and what have you. So we're just getting. Now I'm gonna clean my floor. I use a Swiffer little mop thing with the cloths to clean my floor, or mop my floor, if you will. As you guys can see, I did clean the toilet bowl. You just didn't see it. Now I'm gonna just wash my sheets because I hadn't washed my clothes like Friday morning, so I just had to fold them really. But these are the sheets, so I took everything off, and I'm washing some old sheets. Checking clean bathroom. For wash sheets, I didn't do that. Now this is just a little clip of me at BJ's and what we purchased at BJ's. That's all I got for y'all. Now I got back home after putting away all the groceries. I didn't show all that because then I don't like to post my family if they don't want to be, and it's just awkward. Anyway, so after we put away all the stuff, now you guys see me, I'm folding the laundry from Friday. Yeah, now we're doing it on Sunday because Saturday, I didn't do it on Saturday night. I was like, I don't feel like it. So Sunday it was. I don't know, am I the only one who just doesn't like to fold? I rather like wash, but then when it comes to folding, it's like, yeah. And I chopped a lot of this out, guys, because it would have been super long, and I didn't want this to be like a whole 20-something minutes of you guys watching it. And yes, it shouldn't take that long, but sometimes in between this filming, I was trying to edit a video and all that stuff. So I was like multitasking, so it takes me longer. Right now I'm gonna write on my dry erase calendar. I just like to write down things for the specific week that's important on here. Just a reminder to remember whether it's content or whatever that is happening. Next, I am cleaning my mirror. I'm not gonna hold you guys. Sometimes I forget to do it because if it don't look too dirty, but I'm trying to get in the habit of cleaning it every week. I'm just being honest and transparent. Now I'm gonna use those hooks that I bought from Dollar Tree, on my Dollar Tree haul, to put up those canvases that I was saying. And so far, it's been, now that I'm recording this, it's been about, I want to say It's been 3 days and they haven't fell down, so that's good. So I guess just needed a heavier hook to hold them down. That was the issue, really. Now the second one though, you're gonna see me struggling with for whatever reason did not want to stay on. Kept on one of them kept on falling down until it finally stayed. So it's nighttime. I feel like I have not talked to you guys the whole video, but I'm just gonna give you guys my night skincare routine. So let's get started. So the first things first. It's been a long day. I'm not going to lie to you. It doesn't even feel like it's a long day, but I feel like all day I've been working on YouTube stuff, editing, filming content, trying my best. I don't always do it. I'm trying my best to engage with other people that I subscribe to. So it's just a lot, and I still have a lot. Tomorrow is going to be another, like, I feel like editing day to get things done. Anyway, I actually got this from Influencer. So if you haven't heard from Influencer, I have a whole video about Influencer. I'll link it up in the cards. But pretty much, this box, I could have thought, like, people were saying in the comments pretty much, like, this product we were supposed to get months ago, because I remember doing a survey, like, probably a while ago, and it makes sense. But anyway, they pretty much sent it to everybody now, and they're pretty much opening the campaign, and pretty much I was supposed to do an IG post, but I personally wanted to not do it where I just post the product the first day. I wanted to kind of get better and, like, use the product for a time before I kind of talked about it. So I was trying to use it for a week. But the product is the new Neutrogena Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid, hydrating cleansing gel, fragrance free. Yeah, so far I've been liking it. There was another product in the Hydro Boost line that I generally use, which is their moisturizer, but they had like an exfoliator, and for whatever reason that did not do well with my skin, and I don't like it. But this so far has been good. I haven't broken out. Like I said, what I was saying earlier was we normally get about a month to review it. What I was doing was trying to give it a week of using it, and then I'll give my full review, like my full thirst and honest review. I didn't want to go ahead and say, okay, you know what, day one I got it, let me just post on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Now, if you're new to my channel, then you know I have literally a small bathroom, and it's big enough for Abigail only. So it comes with a small sink, so it might take me a minute. Just saying. I'll get my toner. I'm gonna do my skin routine like I would do it normally, and I'm gonna apply my face mask and get in the shower. I've done this once or twice. I don't do this generally. I'll come out the shower, do my mask, and let it sit, and then come back to the sink. But I feel like washing in the shower is just easier, first of all. But sometimes it gets messy in the sink, especially because I have a small sink. So I generally just like to. But either way, it's just gonna be a messy situation. So the toner that I use is the Glow Lab. That's what I'm currently using. Micellar Water. I got this from Marshall's. It pretty much effectively removes makeup and impurities, leaving your skin refreshed while retaining its natural pH balanced. So far, like, I'm halfway through the bottle, so clearly I like it. It hasn't done anything to my skin. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I feel like this is, like, if you want to say the dupe of Garnier, then yeah, because Garnier is also like Micellar Water. But I know this is probably not the only two brands of Micellar Water. Micellar Water is a big thing, so there's definitely a lot of brands out there. But yeah. But the last step I'm gonna use this what do you call this? This Yuzu mask that I got from a collab. I don't think I've ever shared it with you guys on my YouTube channel, but it's called the Slow Brew
mask. I'm trying to finish it. I got like 6 more of these masks, to be honest. And they say use the whole thing in your face. No sorry, Bob. That's way too much. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I took off the cover. It comes in like a pouch, pretty much. You guys probably didn't even see the words because they're really tiny. But yeah, it's pretty much like a Japanese brand mask. And what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to apply it off camera and wash it in the shower. That's what we're doing today. You guys, so I'm gonna end the video here in my bathroom because I done turn off my lights in my bedroom. It's sleep. It's not even sleep time, but it's relaxing time. I showed you guys enough of my day. A lot of the times I was trying to relax because I feel like sometimes you have to have that relaxing time. You don't always have to have the camera on every 5 seconds. So that's why I'm cutting it here to have my me time. But anyway, lastly, I didn't show you guys because I don't want my face dry out, but I used the Valgene Labs Clarifier Vitamin A plus Witch Hazel Facial Serum on my face. This is my face looking. Yes, I have a couple pimples here. Like, these two are annoying me. I think I may or may not put a pimple patch on them or leave it alone. So I'll leave it alone, put some put a pimple patch. I don't care. I also got this from Marshalls. I have to say, I've been finding really good skincare finds, like gems in Marshalls for sure. So if you're in Marshalls, you should definitely check it out. It's been a minute. I've been using some Marshall like skincare, like serums specifically. I think I was introduced to Hydro Boost, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost from Marshalls as well, the moisturizer, like I told you, the Glow Lab. So there's a few products that I've gotten from Marshalls now I think about it. But anyway, anyhow, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Comment down below also if you want another Sunday self-care routine. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.